In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Redis with Vercel. We'll go through the setup directly inside Vercel so you can connect a Redis database to your project in a clean and straightforward way. If you're using Redis for caching, session storage, rate limiting, or fast key value lookups, this integration can help you get everything wired up quickly. To begin, open Vercel and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to the project where you want to add Redis. Make sure you're opening the correct project since the storage connection will be tied to that specific app. After you're inside the project, look for the storage section. This is where Vercel lets you manage databases and storage integrations connected to your application. Click into storage to see the available options. From there, go to the Marketplace Database Providers area and choose your preferred Redis vendor. Vercel may offer one or more Redis-compatible providers depending on what's available in the marketplace. Select the one that best matches your needs. If you're unsure, start with the option that fits your region and expected usage, since latency and pricing can matter over time. Once you've selected the Redis provider, click Create. This starts the setup process for the new database instance. At this stage, Vercel will guide you through the provider's connection flow. Next, choose your primary database region. This is an important setting because it affects performance. In general, you'll want to pick a region that's closest to where your application runs or where most of your users are located. After selecting the region, click Connect Project to link the Redis instance to your Vercel app. After the project is connected, the final part is local development setup. Follow the instructions to configure local development, then install the SDK and connect it to your app. This step is what allows your local environment to communicate with the same Redis service in a secure and consistent way. Be sure to use the environment variables and connection details provided by Vercel or the Redis vendor, and keep those values private. Once that's done, your Redis integration with Vercel is in place. At that point, you're ready to start using Redis in your application logic. If you're testing locally, it's a good idea to confirm the connection early so you can catch configuration issues before deploying. And with that, you now know how to integrate Redis with Vercel.